Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy, neem oil. Take a saucepan, coconut oil 1 cup or choose any carrier oil. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Neem powder 2 tablespoons. Stir well. Keep the flame low. Benefit of this oil. Neem oil can be used both for skin and hair growth. Natural remedy with fatty acid, vitamin E, antibacterial and antifungal properties. When the color changes in greenish foam, take it off from the flame. Strain it. Castor oil 3 teaspoons. Benefit of this oil. Treats dandruff. Soothes acne. Hydrating dry skin. Mix well. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Lavender essential oil or rosemary essential oil 10 drops. Mix well. Hydrating dry skin. Put under sunlight as it works as a preservative for the oil.